Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, and spine. Release and return to center. Clasp your hands to the sides of your chair. Lean back at a slight angle, keeping your spine long and your navel back. Using your core, lift both legs to hover. Begin to draw small circles with your legs, gradually increasing your range of motion, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles while using your core to stabilize this movement. Keep your chest lifting and your core engaged as you switch directions, working through the front, back, and sides of core, resting when you need to. Release, moving into a lateral stretch variation. With your left hand to the chair, inhale, reach your right arm up and overhead. Exhale to lower. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping the weight even in your hips as you lift up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your right side body. Release, and let's repeat on the opposite side. Place your right hand to the chair for support. Inhale, reach your left arm up and overhead. Exhale to lower. Release and return to center, moving into a side leg lift variation. Begin to alternate lifting one leg up, out to the side, and back to center, flowing from right to left. Continue moving at your own pace, working to keep your navel back towards your spine, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, your core, and quadriceps, while creating more mobility through your hips. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, clasp your hands to the sides of your chair. Lean back at a slight angle, keeping your spine long and your navel back. Lift both legs up, out to the side, and back to center. Continue with this movement, keeping your chest lifting and your spine long, with your navel back towards your spine, resting when you need to. Adding on, pause with your knees lifting and together. Begin to open and close, moving through your own range of motion. Feeling this movement activate those deep core muscles. Release and return to center. Cross your arms out in front of your chest, keeping your core strong and your navel back towards your spine, cinching in all the way around your waist. On your inhale, lean back slightly, using your core to keep your spine straight. And on your exhale, use your abs to return to upright. Continue with this movement, using your core to stabilize, resting when you need to. Pausing and upright, adding a twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist. Inhale at center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, maintaining your hips facing forward, rotating from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.